I am back with yet another haul for you guys, okay? This time we're gonna be doing a Lush haul. This is the only time of the year Lush has a sale on their items. Now, with that being said, it's not all the items that they have sale on. They have sale only on the holiday items. I do work in the mall, so I did have to work Boxing Day, and there is also a Lush in my mall. I went to the Lush. I think they open at 8 a.m, which I didn't know, but I went there after 10 and literally the store was empty. It was pretty much wiped out. So when I went in there, I picked up a few items. It's pretty much a lot. I'm gonna give you guys a little secret. Lushes in the mall do run out of stuff very quickly, but if there's a standalone Lush or there's a Lush in a certain area that a lot of people don't really pay attention to, then that's the place to go, because a lot of people just don't really go there for Lush, okay? So bear in mind of that. Whenever the items are sold out, that's when the sale ends. So I went shopping 3 different times, 3 different occasions, and I came up with this. I was so excited today just to take a shower to see how these products work. I took a shower gel, a shower oil, and a shower scrub with me. The bathroom smell amazing. All these products smell so good, like absolutely amazing. But when I use all the products, it's just like, it's so messy. Like Lush products are just so messy. Like I said, because it's all natural, it runs really quickly with the water, so it's like all over your bathroom or your shower, whatever the case may be. So just keep in mind that when you're showering with anything from Lush, there's gonna be Lush stuff all over the product. Okay, so first item on the list is the Cherry Body Scrub. I haven't used this one yet. It smells like cherry. I normally use scrubs on my feet when I'm in the shower, because my feet do tend to be the driest part of my body, so I absolutely love using that. I haven't used it yet, so I can't give you guys any type of information on if to get it or not, but once I do use it, I will let you guys know. I got the Butter Bear soap. This one for $2.98, which is a steal. It smells like butterscotch, but more of a buttery type scent. I haven't used it yet. The Lush that I went to had a lot of these left, so I guess it's not really a customer's favorite, but at the same time, I'm still gonna try just to see if I do like it, so that way I'll know for next year which items to grab up. Next item I got is the Winter Berry soap. My sister loves this, so I grabbed up at least 2 of them. I used this morning on my skin. It felt so good. It does feel like your skin do feel like squeaky clean once you finish, but it's a good thing that I got the bath oil after using the soap. It felt so much better. My skin smells so much felt so much smoother, sorry. But this is so messy. I used this today in my shower. I feel like all of this stuff is going to be messy because it's all natural, so as soon as the water hits it, it starts to melt away on your body and in the shower, which is a good thing. But it's just, you just have to keep mindful that it's gonna get everywhere, and you need to get like a soap dish for it. Lush do sell soap dish, but I just got mine from Walmart and I just keep it in there because it's gonna get all over the place. But this smells so good. So this is a Snow Fairy, but this was sold out online, sold out at every Lush store that I went. This was only in a standalone Lush store. My sister don't love this one too much, but I just got one of them just in case. I do not like it too much, and like I said, they do spoil. Well, she said they do spoil, so I have to keep in mind of all the stuff that I got and to make sure and use them up so they don't spoil. This smells like bubble gum. I was gonna get the body spray to this, but that was just too much. It smells like berries and bubble gum all mixed up together. But I think this one is really a fan favorite because this was sold out everywhere. And then this is the last one that I got, which is the Rough with Smooth. I think that's what it's called. I don't know what it's called. It smells so good. It's like a body scrub, but it's so messy. Like I used this morning, it's still kind of wet. I'm gonna put it back in the bag because it's just not comfortable to be holding while filming this video. It went all over my hands. Everything came up to $26.05. If you do purchase a lot of these products, they're all natural, and if you really think about it, it's not gonna last too long. So I have to figure out how exactly to use all these products within a good time frame so that they don't spoil. Now, the body sprays to me are extremely expensive for what it is. It's not really a perfume. I personally been using it every single day that I got it, and I don't think it lasts too long, but I did get compliments wearing it the first day. Now I got 3 of them. They are all $30 each, well $29.95 to be exact. With the sale, I got it for $14.98. Normally, would I spend that type of money on a body spray? No, but because it was Lush, I went crazy and I just splurged basically. This one is called Golden Pear. Now this smells absolutely amazing, but it's basically a scent with fresh peach and warm spice. I love this scent a lot. Like, I wasn't expecting to like it that much. I went in the store and sprayed it on, and then later that day someone told me I smelled good, so I went back and purchased it, because if you smell it for that long, then it definitely works. It is a 6.7 fluid ounce. Like I said, to me that's a lot of money. So they said I can use it by 2023, so I'm not too scared to take my time and use these sprays. So I was extremely excited. Within 3 years, I'm pretty sure I can knock all these out. The next scent that I got was Celebrate. I'm gonna read the description of what they said the Celebrate is. It's a zesty blend of lime, Brazilian orange, and cognac oils, which gets the party started from the very first spray. Like I said, it's still the 6.7 fluid ounce. All of them are the same price and the same size. This one I haven't used yet, but I'm excited to use it. I took off the seal, I sprayed it once. It definitely smells good, but between Golden Pear and Celebrate, I definitely choose Golden Pear before Celebrate. And the last spray that I got was Nog. All of them expires 23. This scent of every single thing, like the body wash, the body oil, and this was sold out the first thing online. So that's the main reason why I picked this up. This one is more of a butterscotch type scent. Nog, sorry, is my favorite. Then it'll be Golden Pear, then it'll be Celebrate. But all of them have a sweet butterscotch caramel fruity scent to them. It was really easy for me to choose these scents because that's the type of scents that I naturally go for. In total, the bill for 3 of them was $48.05. It's a lot, like I said, but it is what it is. Only once a year I really shop at Lush. I don't really shop too often, so I just had to grab up whatever I can at the time. Look at this bill. What the hell? Look at this bill. $76.03 this bill came up to. These are little bath oils. These are Dollar Horse bath oils. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I don't even have a bathtub at my house, okay? I don't even know why I got all these bath bombs. There's no reason for me to have them. I don't have a bathtub. It's just such a bad addiction. Like, what the hell? I don't have a bathtub. Why am I using bath bombs? Please comment down below if you guys purchase bath bombs and you don't have a bathtub, because it just makes no sense. What do you guys do with it? Like, give me inspiration. What should I do with these bath bombs when I don't have a bathtub? Okay? I don't know. It melts so quickly. And it smells so good. I think that's the thing with Lush. They get me with the scents, okay? Got 2 of them. I don't know why I got 2 of them, to be quite honest. These were the only 2 really left. It's not one of my favorite scents. It has like a lime type scent. It's not really something I will pick up, to be quite honest. I don't know why I picked it up. I just got so excited and I just, you know, grab up whatever there was. Oil, bath or shower oil I should say. Now this melts really quickly. I literally just hang this up on my like shower head. The water kind of drips down on it and it drops onto my skin. This is so messy. Like, everything that I'm gonna show you for you guys from Lush is very messy. It leaves pink stuff all over the place, but it's easy to rinse away. But just when you look on the ground when showering with these things, it's just like all over the place. It smells so good. It smells like bubble gum and strawberries all mixed up together. It makes the bathroom smell amazing. When I'm moving out, I'm definitely gonna get a house with a bathtub, just because I bought all these Lush products and I can't use them in my house right now. Okay, so these stuff that I'm gonna name now, I have no idea what they are, but I'm gonna put it on the screen so that way you guys know the name of them and you know the price that I paid for it, because I'm just gonna wish through these right now. This video is way too long. It's right now 30 minutes I've been filming, so we got to cut this down. All right, this one is a moon shape soap. It smells, I don't know, it just smells like regular soap to me. It was on sale, so I just grabbed it up. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how it works, but normally Lush soaps like dries kind of do that squeaky feeling on your skin, and then you use the bath oils and stuff just to put back that moisture and that softness into your skin. So I haven't used this yet, so I can't really judge it. Next, I don't know what this is, but it's a snowflake. I think it's a shower oil. I'm not sure what it is, but like I said, I'll put it on the screen. It smells like blueberries. I'm telling you, I feel like eating these things. It's so It smells so good and I can't wait to use it. I feel like just going buying a bathtub right now and putting it in my house somewhere. And shimmer right here on my hands from just holding it for 2 seconds. It's so crazy how quick these things just melt away in your skin. This smells so good. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this. I do not have, I think this is like qualifier bomb something. I don't know what it is. It smells like fruit all mixed in together. And there's glitter in it, so just be aware of that too. I got 2 of them. It's not my favorite scent. It kind of smells like, I don't even know what it smells like. It smells like a, I don't know what it smells like, to be quite honest. I have no idea what this one is. No idea. So I have to go back and figure it out. Let me tell you something. When I went into Lush, I literally grabbed up everything. But this smells so good. I grabbed up 2 of them because it just smells so good. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it because I have to read up on it to see exactly what it does or what it is or what's the purpose of it. But it smells delicious and I'm going to figure out a way to use it. We're coming down to this one, which is the eggnog. I don't know why it's wet, but it's definitely all over the place. This one is called the eggnog soak. That was sold out really quickly online, so I knew I had to grab this one up. This was the last one in the store that I was at. It smells so good. It smells like spicy, but yet still, I don't know, it smells like a drink in a bottle, okay? I feel like eating these things. It smells so good. I don't know why I did this to the bag. I think because I had it there for too long. Like I said, you guys definitely need soap dishes for these things because it's just so messy. Every Lush I went to, I've seen these left over. I don't know if there's not one of you guys' favorites, but I picked up one of them. I think because it's so messy, there's glitter everywhere. It's like an apple something. It smells good, but there's glitter literally everywhere once you take this out. There's stuff all over my table right now. It smells, oh, I got glitter in my mouth. This is, guys, but I think it might be a soap. They had a few of these left. I grabbed up 2 of them. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this. I need to read up on this to figure out what it is that I purchased because I really don't know. Like, I have no clue what this is. In total, I spent, drum roll please, $161.05. Is it a lot for me? It sure is. But I've just became a Lushie, if that's what you guys want to call it. I don't know what you guys call it, to be quite honest. But I really do hope you guys did enjoy this haul. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you have purchased in the sale, if you guys got anything in the sale. Like I said, there's only once a year, so you have to grab it and go. They do have it until it sells out, so I'm pretty sure today they still have 50% off the holiday items. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll hope to see you guys in other hundreds and thousands and millions of videos I'll be making here on YouTube. Peace.